Hello, hello people. How's everyone doing? Hopefully everyone doing good. This video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut cross sections. Okay, I'm gonna walk you through this mess. Okay, what we doing here first? Yeah, first, as you know, we are doing next gen plans, and if we opened cross sections in the 900 series, let's zoom in here. The cross sections are not part of here. Cross sections are used to provide supplemental information during the plan's phase review process. These sheets may be used, for whatever, for any need. However, these sheets are not to be placed within the contract set plan anymore. So they should not be part of your key sheet anymore. Especially if you have a model-centric project. That's the point. Everything is dynamic inside the model shall be reviewed. However, because most DUT employees, the reviewers, some of them, they don't even know how to run MicroStation or ORD in general, so nonetheless even running and reviewing the 3D model. And I'm assuming according to this, they're not gonna actually look at the 3D model till phase 3. So right now we're gonna submit phase 2. So this says we need to enter a PDF of this sheet in the electronic review comments system. For them, for phase 2. So basically we need to cut the sheet for them so they can review them. Include, of course, with our plans that we prepared. And also they say here they can be like 1117 or they can be the big babies. I'm definitely gonna do the big ones, probably gonna do 3672. And of course, it have to be landscape orientation. And also here they're talking about the scales and all that, so just the basic stuff. And the interval is have to be 50 feet. I mean, typical, but it depends on the project. And they're gonna look like this. They're gonna look something like this. So basically these, for the reviewers who are reviewing the PDFs, to make it easier for them, they just have to go here, go to the stations and see if something needed. But to get to this, like for example, let me explain this. This cross section, the W and the G, the water and the gas, that's a model by itself for existing utilities to be modeled. And the lane, the existing pavement, or whatever you have here, all those are existing features to be modeled. Also, you have the right-of-way lines. Also, those need to be modeled. On top of that, you need to model your proposed. So it's a lot of modeling. It's like a cake. So let's go back here. I'm gonna make this big because I want you to see something. Ooh, please don't. Okay, here we go. So let me just give you a synapse. We have like a whole model here with different typical sections. We have a model for this ramp, a model for this ramp, and a model of this ramp. We are still in phase 2. We have not even finished the whole thing, but we're just gonna cut what we have. But I want you to know about the cake, that I keep saying cake. When it comes to cutting cross sections, they are basically like a cake. When I say that, this is what I mean. I'm gonna bring this existing drainage model, existing feature model, and that's the model for the main. No, I don't want to open it. That's the model for the main road, and that's the existing utility, and that's the westbound off ramp, which is the only one we started doing, we haven't finished. Let me turn them off one by one because I want you to see. When I say cake, this is what I mean by cake. Okay, so I turned all of them off. Let's go back here again. Make this as a big screen. Okay, as you see, I turned off everything. So now I'm gonna show you the layers of the cake. The layers of the cake, for example, existing utilities. I'm going to turn it on. We'll put this in the other screen. Here we go. You see, these is the existing utilities. Basically the gas line, cable lines, water lines, sewer lines, gas. I mean, I even went above and beyond and modeled this existing light. I don't think we even gonna need it. I was just going crazy. All these need to be modeled. So that's one layer of the cake. Then another layer is the existing drainage, which is also, we did not finish all of it, but as you see, I just left these as null point for now, but we have the pipe that we need and all the existing drainage. And here we have not finished this. These all need to be connected, but we're gonna do this in next submittal, not now. But again, this is another layer of the cake. Another layer of the cake is existing feature, which is the most important one. I'm gonna make a video about it later. I still have, as of today, I have not made a video about that because it took me a long time to make. So I'm gonna turn it on. This is the big important thing. Basically the existing pavement, existing sidewalk, existing side streets, existing traffic separators, because all these they're gonna show in the cross section. As you see here, all the existing that we need to show. That's why I keep calling them as even look at the catch basin. That's why I call them like a cake. And then the top layer of the cake is our proposed model. So if we went here, where's our proposed model? This one is the big one. As you see it, it's here. Most of the road, I mean, and as you can see here, let me just explain what's going on. Most of this, you see they are on top of each other because we are just milling and resurfacing. We just only have widening in some areas and the rest is just the same, basically match existing. That's why you see they look like this, because they are literally on top of the existing. There are no change of the Z point. I mean, the vertical depth, it's the same. We still have just these, we're gonna work with them. And also the westbound, which is here, that's the existing. So now let's lay on the proposed. As you see, because also here we are just milling or resurfacing, but we are widening this. So we add in this. And as you see, we stopped here, we didn't have time. We're gonna finish it another time, but that's what we have so far. But we're still gonna cut the cross sections just to show the reviewers what we did so far. And then of course you can turn on the survey if you want, and the alignment. So that's what I mean when I say a cake. So now let's go back to the default view. I already did some back work before I fire up the tool, which is I recommend everyone should do this. I'm gonna turn off everything, just explain to you what's going on, because this is a unique project. Actually, let me do this. Okay, I need to delete these because I don't want them. Okay, so let's go to the alignment. This is the only thing I'm gonna turn on. So I already made these 200 because I looked in my survey and I looked at what we need to show. Hold on, where's my survey? Huh, I didn't see that here. That's weird. Okay. Oh yeah, I know. I didn't even actually, I took it off from here. So let me just add the proposed. Where's the milliner resurfacing? Okay, my computer is a little bit being slow. You know what? I don't need to do that right now. Let me just explain it through this because I know that's gonna make the computer slower. So what I was trying to say is I already did this preparation. When I say preparation, I mean I made sure that this is 200 here to cut cross section here, and it's increment 50 feet, and I lay it down to the whole thing where we're stopping. Since here we have work here for the ramp, so what I decided to do, I hope it's gonna be okay, I don't know, but I made these actually more than 200, this cross sections. I made them actually to be 350. Yeah, let me attach the proposed design so you can guys see what I mean. Because just remember, this is the 2D. I'm just gonna attach the 2D just so you can see what I mean. This is where we widening the pavement, and this is the widening the paved shoulder, and this is the widening the unpaved shoulder. So because I'm cutting the cross sections and we're gonna get to this weird area, I made these longer. I made them longer so they can show even this. And then I made them here, and also then I stopped here, and then I started from here, and I also again did 200 increment of 50 till here where we're gonna stop. And here also I made sure it's gonna show everything. And again, when we get here, I made these bigger so they can literally cut everything and show everything. Instead of have to do like from here to here and stop here and then do again here, I decided why not make these big so they can show like a bigger cross section. And also here, so this is just a non-plotting scratch that I did just to prepare. And I recommend everyone to prepare that before you fire up the tool, because if you have a slow machine, when you fire up the tool, your program is not going to be nice to you. So prepare early is always better. Okay, let's turn on everything now. Okay. So yeah, let's start doing cross sections. This is trial, so click on here, and then let's get this baby, and then civil cross section. As you see, this is civil profile, but this is civil cross section. First thing first, here you have to select the seed. I think 72 is too big, but I think it will fill everything. I don't know, maybe I should make it 3648. What do you guys think? You know what? I think we need more. Because just looking at this PDF, where's the PDF? Here. Let me see how much they have. I mean, I'm assuming this is just the standard one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do it bigger, because especially for these, I have them wider. So let's do cross section. Let's select the biggest one. Detail scale, we're gonna leave it at 20. And then after that, I'm just gonna leave everything as default. I'm not gonna change nothing. So click on here, and then it's gonna tell you where you wanna start. So I wanna start here at 92. And then as you see, I'm moving it. You see it's going on top of my scratch level, so that's mean I did good. But then I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna stop here at 95 for now. And then after that, I need to come here. You see how long they are when I say long? Because the right offset, you see the 140? It's basically from here to here is 140, from here to here is 140. But I already made the yellow lines, as you see them, as 200. So that's mean from here to here is 100, from here to here 100. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna change this. I'm also gonna change this. Ta-da, you see now they are matching mine. And like I said, I'm just gonna stop here because this is the first patch of cross sections I wanna make. We can actually fire the tool again and do it again. So make sure these are 100, so we're good. And then let's click on this. Yes, okay, you see, I made a mistake. The mistake is I should have had this open. I don't know why ORD need this. We need to have this open just so you can at least see the cross sections where they are. So in a typical manner, when you fire this tool and you click OK, it should give you the other option for the sheet and the annotation or that. But don't worry, it's not here. We can get it. We can actually click here, named boundaries. I'm sorry, here, name boundaries. And now let's see what we have here. Cross-section groups. Yeah, why are they not showing? It's supposed to be here. You know what? I did it too fast and I did not read that message. What was that message saying? Huh. That's interesting. You know what? Ta-da, that's it. I just rewinded. Now let's pay attention again. 3672, let's click here, and then I want it to be in 92. And then 50, 50, 50, 50, and I want it to stop here at 95. So now I have my card. This is the screen I was talking about. But that's okay. So now for cutting these, as you see, they are literally cutting on our cake. As for example, you see here is going to show the existing, the proposed, and you're going to show the water lane is going to show everything. So what we're going to do here, draw a model. Okay, we need to be this careful. So annotation, we want the annotation to be this one. And it will automatically select that for me, which is XS annotation, and scale 120, detail is 120, the sheet always 11, and we are creating a new sheet. But later on, when I'm going to cut these, I'm not going to create a new sheet. I'm just going to tell the program to go to this sheet. So let's just click OK. And you see here 6%. Now just wait for this to go. It's going to take a while. Yeah, unfortunately my computer is a little bit, I don't know, under the weather, slow. But it's okay, we can handle. You just have to do them, work with what you got, work with what you got. I'm gonna pause the recording for us for a minute because I know this is a lot of processing and I'm running other programs to screen capture, so I'm just gonna pause the recording. We'll come back in a few minutes. Hello, we're back. Let's fire the music. Okay, so we are back. It automatically took me here. Before even we go to all this stuff, here we go. It created my big sheet, and it also created drawing models. These drawing models are for these cross sections. So let's go investigate. Let's go state 92. Let's see what it given us. Here we go. You see what it given us? The P of fiber optic, the proposed, and how it's looking, and also the existing. Yeah, please you guys don't judge this. This is still work in progress. The proposed is still messy. But we got everything, and it also annotated it for us. When I say annotated, it literally annotated what we read here. So because that's an important part. When you create your cakes of layers, you need to make sure every one of them have the proper feature definition and the proper name, because later on here they're gonna display like that. So let's go check the other ones. Here we go. As you see, the other ones, this is 50. Yeah, we have the water in the bottom. We have this proposed here. And I don't know what's this, but I can actually review. Huh, text elevation, cut, okay. So now let's go back to the sheet. Of course, I mean, even though the program annotated it for you, you can literally go to every one of them and modify them. I mean, when I say modify, this is what I mean by modify. You see, when I click on this, it is here. You can turn it on, turn it off, you can draw here, you can label, you can do anything you want. I mean, even here, you see it's showing some of the drainage structures that we have. But like I said, you can actually draw stuff here and do things. So let's go back to our sheet model. So now we created this, and I love how we stacked them. So now let's go back to the default. And let's cut again. I don't know why I keep doing this. You see, you take it to default ORD sometimes, just... Okay. Now we have this, like I said, this unique 3 sheets. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them. So click on this, click on this. So let me cut 1, 2, 3. Yep, and then 4. Yep, this one I also made it 350. So I'm gonna cut these. So again, fire up the tool. And this time, hold on, give me a second. Since it's 350, it's gonna be 175. So again, let's come here, let's click on the alignment, because this is important. We still just cut in here. We're gonna cut later on the ramps, but for now, let's just click on here. And you see I can move it, but I want it to be here. That's the first one. And I don't have it just like, because you already know, because I already made them as 50. And then go here, but then I'm not gonna go to this one. I'm actually just gonna stop at station 97. Just one click, and then I have to come here and tell it I want minus 175 and the bottom 175, and then do enter. By the way, the top clearance and the bottom clearance, again, your layers of your cake. If you have, let's say, if you have a gas line and you know exactly that it's way deeper than the bottom clearance of 5, you need to modify this. I mean, it depends. Like literally, when I say top and bottom, it's literally this. You see, that's the top, that's the bottom. You can modify how this look and how deep it cut your cake. Okay, so as you see, it cut to the 350 like I wanted it. And I'm just gonna leave them for now like this, because I know all my utilities are, the deepest one is like 3 feet, so they're gonna show. And also the top clearance, you can modify it. We do not have structure people here, but you see we actually have a bridge here. I mean, if you're doing something in the bridge and you want it to go, and you know the clearance 17, 18, 20, 25, you can do that. And for my lonely light pole here, oh my god, look at this. Yeah, but this is supposed to be a paved shoulder, but if you wanted to show this sometimes and you literally cut in the cross section here, you need to know the height, which is I made it I think 25. But anyway, let me stop talking. So yeah, so let's cut this tree 4 by just clicking accept, and then gonna show this, make sure 20, 20, these need to match. But now the sheet, I don't want it to create a new sheet, I want it to go to this sheet, which is later on I can modify this, but automatically we'll just name it as the first cross section station. So now I told it to take this tree cutout, this tree fresh cutout here, this 3 long ones, to go again to the existing sheet. So let's just click OK. I don't know why I always stop at 6%. That's funny. Oh my god. No. Look what he did. No. What the heck, ORD? He created other sheets. You see that? You only put one here. The first one. He didn't put the second and third. He put them in different sheets. Are you? Come on, ORD. See, I thought I was outsmart you, but actually I didn't. Huh? You outsmart me. But don't worry, we're gonna find a way of transferring all these sheets into one sheet. Why did this? Huh? Interesting. By the way, if somebody doesn't know how to move these, you literally go to your references and you have them here. So you just click on it and then click on the move tool and you literally have to move it. You can move it anywhere you want. Move it here, and order them as you want. So what I'm gonna do is right now, I'm gonna stop the recording. I'm actually gonna go reference those other sheets here. I don't know how I'm gonna stack them. I need to find, you know, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do all these, like the road, and these that are going to the ramp, I'm probably gonna put them here somewhere. Huh. Anyway, like I said, they are just referenced. So I need to go to the let me show you how to do it actually, because that's a little bit advanced. So for example, if we went to sheet 96 that he created, and I want this, which is this drawing, that it's actually labeled model 96 description, the logic is 96 minus 1. So what I need to do is I'm gonna take this and reference it in the other one and delete this sheet. So how to do that? Let's go to the default. It's a little bit tricky. Where's 96? Okay, yeah, 96 is the first big one, right? No, it's not the first big one, because this is 95. 9550 is the first big one. So I'm gonna go to this sheet and see if 95 is here. Okay, so 9550 is here already. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm assuming, is this the last one, right? Yeah, you can read the description here. So I'm just gonna click on move. Where's the move to you? The move. I don't know if the EU are gonna like this or not, but again, these are just for the reviewers. They should not be perfect. So I'm just gonna put this here. It's 95 and then 9550. I'm gonna go stack the other ones. When I say stack the other ones, what I need now is I have the 9550, now I need 96. So you literally just go to do attach and then attach the same file that we are working on, which is this one, RDX for reviewer. But this is the tricky part. You need to select the one that you want, but you need to select not the sheet, you need to select the drawing model. So like I said, we need 96. Here is 96. So I'm gonna attach the 96, click OK. Where did it put it? Here we go, it put it here. Oh, why look miserable like that? Huh. This is 96. Yeah, it shouldn't look like that, right? It should look big. When I look empty too. Oh my god. Yeah, I guess I effed up. I have to do them one by one. Yeah, this is not the 96. This is how 96 look like. So what the heck is wrong now with you, ORD? Okay. I made a mistake, I guess. Let me go back to this sheet and see if it updated it. No, it didn't. Okay. So scratch what I said. That doesn't work. X this. Take it out. So I'm only gonna keep this here, which is 9550. Again, I did this intentionally. Just, well, when I say intentionally, I mean because I want us to learn together. So you see, we have this with the sheet. So what we're gonna do is, that's 96, 9650, and 97. I'm gonna select all of them, and I'm gonna select the drawing models that come with them. The 96, the 9650, and the 97. And guess what I'm gonna do? Delete. That's it. Perfect, they are gone. And there another way of checking if they are gone or not, because I can still see the trace of them here. When you see the trace of them, this is what I mean. We can actually hold view control. Yeah, they are still here. Well, they are not still here. Their residual is still here. When I see that, you have to go here, cross-section groups, and then what do we have here? You need to delete them from here too. So 92, 9250, 93, 94, 95, 95, good. And then this is the other one. You know what? I think the mistake that I made is I put them in a different group. That's why. That's why you put 96 in this group and you put the 9550 and 96 and 9650 and 97 in a different group. Maybe that's what I did wrong. I'm just gonna select them and delete them. Yes, please. Yes to all. As you see, highlight them here too. So just click yes to all. Yeah, I think that's the mistake that I made. I should have made them in the same group. But lesson learned. Let's do it again. Oh, I also deleted the other one. Okay, yeah, that's why. Let me go delete it also from here. I think it should be gone, right? Yeah, it's gone. Oh, look. Oh my god, look, oh, are these freaking out on me? Because I deleted it from outside, I didn't delete it from here. You see, it's still like showing me. Wow. But that's okay. That's 9550, right? Hold on. Where's the references? Sorry. References. So it's this one. 9550. If I click to move, yeah, it's gonna move it. So that's the problem. So just delete it from here. Take it out. And also, let's go to the models and delete the sheet. Drawing model. I'm sorry, why did I say sheet? The drawing model of the 9550. Just click on it and delete this baby. Okay, now let's do this again. Okay. Let me save for OCD. Now let's go back to the default model again. And then hold right click again. Yeah, I'm happy that I'm recording this, and I'm happy that I'm actually not showing you like a perfect video. I love to show this stuff because stuff like this is what make a person learn. I mean, most teachers out there, they only show you a perfect survey, perfect tutorial, perfect everything. Well, that's not how I learn. And if you don't like this, just leave this channel, go watch something else. Because we like messy here. Because messy make a great designer, a great engineer. Okay, so let's investigate again. Yes, yes, yes. You see the group? I'm not gonna select a new group. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna attach it to the same group. Okay. And then let's go here. So let's go to 95 here, 9550. And then move 1, 2, 3, and then stop here, 97. Yeah, I think that's what I missed last time, right? Well, so we want it to be in the same group, 175, 175, because these are 350, and then yeah. Let's just do click. Here we go, we made them. Zoom in, zoom out, so they can go inside the cake. And then 20, yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. I want it to be in the same sheet. Let's see if he's gonna do it for me. I hope he will. Oh God, what if he didn't? Because if he didn't, what he's gonna do is only gonna put this sheet and my main sheet, and then you're gonna go create other sheets, but I don't want him to do that. Okay, I'm telling you, I don't want a new sheet, I want it to be here. Okay, let's try it. Hopefully we'll put all of them in my sheet. If not, I guess I have to do them one by one because these are different from this. When it comes to the width of the cross section. Oh, dang it. It did it again. Here we go. You see? It created other sheets for me. Ugh. Yeah, I think that's not the way to do that. I think there are another way of doing that. Okay. Yeah, I don't want this. Oof. Oh, I can hear my computer is crying for me. Please don't crash on me, please, please. Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording. Okay, we are back. I actually forgot one important thing, because when I did that Bentley training thing, I remembered what they said. Do not cut sheet at the beginning. Just cut the cross sections first and then do the sheets later. Which is a big mistake that I did at the beginning of this video, because I'm just like in a hurry to do that and I should not have done that. So, okay, so let me show you what I mean. First thing first, let's just go crazy and delete everything. I know you're probably gonna say, what the heck, what's this crazy girl is doing? Let me show you what I mean. Let's go here, because this is our powerful tool here. So I'm gonna delete everything, like select all of them, and I'm gonna delete their sheets, and I'm gonna delete everything that comes with them. Yes please, yes to all. Just take them out. I want to start from scratch. What's this? And then I'm gonna go here, and I'm literally just gonna delete everything. Let's start from scratch. Okay, what do we have here? What's this? Cross-section group. Oh, it's the group. Okay, let's delete the group too. I don't want the group now. Okay, plan profile. Plan group. I don't want it either. Let's delete everything. I want like a fresh start. Okay, so we deleted everything. So let's do this again. But this time, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna click on this again, like I said. Let's do 100 first. So I'm gonna click on, sorry, the alignment, and then tell it I want to start from here and then go here, 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 here. Of course, we don't want the long one. We're just gonna stop at this one for now and pause here. Ooh, hold on. Saw a mistake. Grr. This one is not on 95, so you see that's a mistake. Let's just do cancel. Back. Okay, so let's do that again. '92, yes, 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 94, 95, and then that's it. Stop on 95. Oh, why does it do that? You know what? I can modify it from here. 00.00. Click on enter. Okay. See, now I forced it to stop here like that. Like I said, 100, 100. I'm unselect this. You see this create drawing? I'm not gonna create a drawing. Let's just, whoops, like this. That's it. That's all we should have done from the beginning. That's it. You see? Now we have them. Now we have the cross sections here. Now let's again do these. The long one, which is, like I said, minus 175, 175, and then let's click on this, and I want it to start here, and then let's go here, let's go here, let's go here. I hope you guys are not upset with me about this, because I mean, I just wanted to do it like this because I know a lot of beginners gonna make the same mistakes. So, okay, so you see, that's it. Just create the cross sections. So now we have the cross sections. So now I want all these cross sections into one sheet. So let's try this. Let's go back again here, and then let's go to cross section groups. What the heck? Why are they not updated? See, that's what bothers them. They're supposed to appear. They're already here. Ugh. Here we go. Now they appear. You see, it's, oh my god, this program is so glitchy. Ugh. Okay, so now we have all these cross sections. So this is what I'm thinking we should do. We should select all of them, and I think that's how we're gonna make them all appear into one sheet. So select all of them, then come to this. Create the drawing for that. Click on it. Now we're gonna do the drawing. Again, just for the sake of the video, I'm supposed to cut everything and then do this at the end, but just for you guys, I'm just gonna do this right now and then I'm gonna rewind it for my own work. But that's how you do it. You need to cut first and then create sheet. Hopefully it will work. Let's see. 20, 20, a new sheet, perfect. Let's just click OK. So it always stop at 6% for me. I don't know why. But I have a feeling it will work now. Yeah, but I'm interested to see the intelligence, how he's gonna order them, because remember, one of them is 200 wide and one of them is 350. We shall see how we're gonna make the sheets. Ha! Yay! Hallelujah! Thank you! Thank you, Bentley, God, whatever. Ooh, you see? Now we have all of them into one sheet. Yay! Okay. And just just for my babies out there who doesn't know how to do this, the labelings, I mean, you can just fire up this amazing tool that DOT created, go to your project and go where you have your roadway and just click OK. And then scroll down, where's your reviewer? This is the cross section for the reviewer, move down. We only have one sheet, easy breezy cover GUR. Select it, hold right click, update bulk. Come here, select this, select this, select this. Because I already fired this up, is you basically just gonna go to, I explained this in one of my other videos, but since I'm doing it here, maybe people didn't see it. You just go to your roadway. I put it here in the eng data. This Excel come from when you install DOT. You're gonna find this in a work set, the default, and you just go there and you write the information of your EUR. Let me open it. Yep, you see this, you can have as many URs as you want, and whatever, engineer of record, surveyor, register, architect, whatever they are, just put them here, fill this stuff. And then select this, and this is where this tool is gonna get those information from. Ramesh, you have everything here, and then project number 443317-1-52-01. Road number 566, Hillsborough County. What's the sheet title? Oopsie. It's called cross section. Should they name it something funny? Of course, this is no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just joking, but just I'm gonna copy this because I'm too lazy to write it. Paste it here. Cross section. So then do OK, and then you have to commit changes. Commit the changes. Close this. Ta-da! I did not write the number because we're not gonna write numbers here. Just gonna actually make it NA. Or you know what, I'm gonna make it 1 because I don't know how many sheets I'm gonna need. But I could have done it from here because here you can also change the numbers. Like the sheet number here, I could have write it here, but I'm not gonna do that now. So yeah, so that's what you need to do. So lessons learned so far. You got your cross sections, your cake has been cut properly. Just remember, don't make the mistakes I made at the beginning of the video. Cut them first when you fire up the tool. Cut them first and uncheck this. Do not make create drawing. Cut them first, and then after you cut them, you click again here and you go to those cross sections that you have here and you select all of them and you can put them into one sheet or 2 sheets or whatever. Because I'm sure right now if I select these and I made create, for example, I just want these and I want to create one, it will create a one for me. It's gonna be a different one and it's gonna take the same cross sections and you can see them here. So yeah, I hope this messy video helped someone. I intended to do mistakes, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.